Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Imaginary Engineering. This is Kirti. In this video we are going to see the pagination and sorting. In our last video we have covered the security, the JWT token, we have seen the role based authorization mapping, many to many mapping. So if you haven't watched my last videos, then I will recommend you watch that video. It will be really helpful. So in this video we'll start with the paging and sorting. So this is the event repository interface which extend the JPA repository. This JPA repository internally extend the paging and sorting interface. I will show you that. In paging and sorting is very easy to implement because JPA data, Spring Data JPA already provide the interface for that, and this JPA repository extend that. But before moving forward, I will recommend you to watch my previous videos. If you haven't watched it, I have explained all the things related to the security, role-based authentication, JWT token. I have explained everything in details. So I will recommend you to watch that video also. So let's start with our paging and sorting. So this is the event repository which extend the JPA repository. I will go to the source code of the JPA repository. Here you can see this is the interface JPA repository which extend the list paging and sorting repository. Internally that JPA repository extend this interface for the paging and sorting. So we don't need to extend it here because JPA repository internally extend that. So first we'll go to the event service and we will modify the method signature here. Get all events, return the all the events. So in parameter we will pass the pageable. That pageable interface from the data.domain, it will help for the pagination. So this is our pageable object and it will return the page. It is the list of object. It's coming from the Spring Framework .data.domain. Now we will go to this our event service implementation. We will modify the method here. Now this get all event receive the pageable object, and this page object we will pass in find all method, and this will return this page of event. Let me import this page. Now next we'll go to the controller, event controller, where we have used this method. Here we receive this pageable object, pageable, and then we will pass the page as a parameter and then change the page of event. Then in auth controller also I have used this method, so let me modify this method also. Then we will pass the page object and then change the list of event to the page of event. Now we are done. Let me rerun this application. Then we go to first go to the get all events, click on send. Here we get the 401 unauthorized. First we have to log in, then we will get the token. Now we get the token, and then I will go to the get all events and then click on send. Here now we get the response back. Here you see this is the content that was actually our response, and then we get the pageable object. In pageable object we get the page number, page size, sorting, then total pages currently sorted is false, then total page, total number, size, default size is 20, default number is 0, all the things that we get from in the pageable object. Now we can skip that pageable object also. If you don't want to return this pageable object, that can also be done. So let's go to the VS Code. I will show you. how to hide that pageable object in the HTTP response. Go to this auth controller, event controller, and then here instead of sending the page, we will return the list. So list of event, and we convert this to the list and return the list of event. Now let me rerun the application. Here I will rerun. Now let me first log in, and then I will go to this get all event, click on send, and here we get our response. Now there is no pageable object. Here we see the 2 records. Let me add more records. So we will this post method to add a event. So let me change the name of the event. Here I will say cooking, click on send, unauthorized, let me choose the bearer token, click on send. Now there is new event has been created. Let me add another one. Let's say drawing, and click on send. Now this event has been created. Next I will go to the get all event, click on send, and here we will get all the events that we have created. We will see the pagination has the 2 attribute, page and size. So page indicate the page number and size indicate the number of element, and page number start with the 0 index. So here I am giving the page equal to 0, and size I want a 2 element on each page. So here I have given the 2 size, and here you see in the response it returned the 2 element on the first page. Now let's check the second page. Index is 1, click on send. On second page we have the 2 element 4 and 5. We can also sort this using the parameter. We have the sort. I want to sort this event by the name, so I will pass the value name, click on send. Now it will sort the element by name in ascending order. If you want to sort the element by descending order, we can pass the comma DESC. It will sort the element by descending order. Let me click on send. Here you see the cooking and coding, it is sorted by the descending order. For the more clarity, what I will do, I will remove this page and size parameter, and I will only keep the sort parameter. Click on send. Now here the first one is music, then second one is a drawing, then cooking and coding. Here we have sorted the element by descending order. If I say ascending order, then coding will be first, and then cooking, then we have the drawing, and then music. So this is all about the pagination and sorting. I hope you like this video, and if you learn something new, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Imaginary Engineering. Thank you for watching.